Friends, now we will go to the next part of the further aspects of source determination. So, uh, which is the part 3 of the source determination. So, part 3 of source determination, which is further aspects of source determination. So, in the previous session, we had done one exercise on blocking a source of supply, which was in section C. Now, we will go to the section D. Here, we will do an exercise on create purchase order with source determination. Okay, let me go to the data sheet here. So, here, this is the data. So the below items are required in plant 1111 urgently. Item 3 is required for cost center 1111. So first line item S-10011 10 piece, second line item 20 piece, third line item it is some stainless steel washer 100 piece. It is belonging to material group 009 and the valuation price is 15 rupees per piece. Okay, the materials are needed in 2 weeks. Carry out a automatic source determination, and if this process is successful, immediately generate a purchase order to cover the requirement. If no source is assigned by the system, then for those materials save as purchase requisition. Okay, create a purchase order with source determination. How do you ensure that source is automatically determined after the item data is entered and if possible directly assigned to the item? Okay, so this is the case of create purchase order vendor unknown. Okay, because we do not know the sources. Okay, we have to select the sources. Okay, by the system. Okay, system should select the sources if available. Okay, so hence it is a case of a create purchase order vendor unknown and the transaction code is ME25. Okay, so we will go to SAP and here. Okay, logistics, material management, purchasing, purchase order, create, vendor unknown, ME25. Just to go to ME25. Today date is 3rd June. Put the purchasing group, put the delivery date, 2 weeks. Today is 3rd June, 17th June. And here, we have to select the source determination checkbox here. Okay, so that, system will automatically select the sources of supply. System will automatically assign the sources of supply if available. If you select the checkbox, then enter. In the overview, input the materials quantity. First two materials S-10011 10 piece and second item 20 piece. This is 10 piece. This is 20 piece. Just enter. Okay. So then what is the third line item? It is some material without a master record, some stainless steel washer belonging to material group 009 and price is 15 rupees per piece. Just copy the text here, input in the short text. Quantity is 100 piece and the material group is 009. Okay, go to the material group F4. Scroll down 009. Yeah, this is accessories material. Just select that one. And what is the unit? Piece. Just input the unit piece. And here what is the account assignment category? K. Cost center. Enter. Okay, it will ask to enter the valuation price which is 15 rupees. Then enter. It will ask to enter the cost center 1111. Enter. Okay, now everything is entered. Okay, now we have to see if system has assigned any sources automatically. How to know the system has assigned any sources here? Yes, we can know it by just select this particular line item and go to item details. Okay, here for the first line item, source is already assigned. Okay, some contract 4600 ending with 136 with vendor V-E0002. Okay, so first line item there is a source available. Second line item, select the second line item, go to details, item details. No source is assigned. Go back. Third line item, select the third line item. Okay, details. So no source is assigned. Okay, if there is any info record for the material group 009, we can select here. We can search. Go for this one. F. Here, we can see here info records for material group. Okay, just put the material group 009 and purchasing organization 1111 plant 1111. You can input. Okay, and search. Okay, no values for the selection. That means there are no info records for the material group 009. Just close that one. Go back. Okay, now we know only for the item number 10 source is automatically assigned by the system. There is a contract. For the item number 20 and 30, no sources are there. So what the exercise is, for those, okay, for those line items for which the source determination is successful, immediately generate a purchase order. Okay, then if no source is assigned, for those items save as purchase requisition. Okay, so for the first line item, source is there, we will just convert this into purchase order or generate a purchase order. Select the first line item, click generate purchase order. It will take us to ME21N screen. See here, it has come here. Just click this check. You want to see if anything is missing. No messages issued. Okay, it is fine. Just save. Yeah. Standard purchase order created under number 4500017905. See, the first line item has gone. Only item 20 and 30 are there. Okay. Why it is gone? Because the first line item number 10, it is converted into purchase order. You just note down this purchase order 4500017905. 17905. 4500017905. Okay. Just make it block 17905. Okay. Now the remaining two items, okay, sources are not assigned by the system automatically. We have to convert them as a, we have to convert these items as a requisition. These two other items. Just select these items and you can save as a requisition. Click and save as a requisition. Just click this save as a requisition. Okay. So purchase requisition number 100200451 created. Just note on this one. 100200451. Just note on this one. 100200451. Yeah, 20451. This is okay. If you want, you can display this purchase requisition anytime. Okay, and purchase order also anytime. For example, if you want to display the purchase requisition, go to open one more screen. ME53N. 53N. Just to go there. Put that purchase requisition number here. 100200451. Yeah. Other 100200451. Yes. Yeah, it is there. This is the purchase requisition generated. Okay. So this is exercise on create purchase order with source determination. Thank you for watching my video, and please give me your valuable comments and likes, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification of my upcoming videos on several scenarios on MM. Thank you.